Wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. Natural Disasters on a Event channel, welcome. For the third consecutive day, wildfires continue to ravage the outskirts of Athens, prompting a large-scale effort to combat the blaze, with the support of water bombers from Italy and France. As the Inferno is exacerbated by strong winds, thousands of residents have been forced to evacuate their homes, with Greek Prime Minister stating that such wildfires are becoming more intense due to the ongoing climate crisis. Unfortunately, all these stables are on fire. The battle to quell the flames has intensified as firefighters, along with soldiers, police special forces, volunteers, and water-dropping aircraft, tirelessly work to contain the spreading blazes. The fire initially erupted in Dervenicoria, approximately 18 miles north of the Greek capital, but its reach extended to the town of Mandra by Wednesday. The harsh and unrelenting temperatures, exceeding 40 degrees Celsius last week, have turned the surrounding land into dry tinder, further fueling the rapid spread of the fire. By Tuesday evening, the fire front had extended over 5 miles, leading to widespread evacuations and causing extensive destruction to homes, vehicles, olive groves, and pine forests in the Mandra area. Residents were seen frantically seeking refuge in vehicles with the assistance of the police as the flames approached their homes. Mandra Mayor Christos Stathis expressed the collective anguish, describing the situation as a nightmare, with homes and properties falling victim to the unyielding flames. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.